Want to stop CapCut on your PC from updating automatically? Here's a step-by-step method that works. First, open your File Explorer, then click on This PC. Before moving on, there's one important setting to enable. Go to the View tab and make sure Hidden Items is checked. This will reveal any hidden files or folders on your system. Now scroll down and open your local disk. Look for the Users folder and open it. Then select the folder with the name of your computer. Inside that folder, look for one named App Data. If you not find this folder, then go to the View tab and make sure Hidden Items is checked. Once you find it, open it. Then go into the local folder. Inside, find the folder named CapCut and open it. Within the CapCut folder, open the User Data folder and then open the Download folder. This is where the key step takes place, so follow carefully. Inside the Download folder, right-click in an empty space, go to New and select Text Document. Rename this new file to update.exe. Make sure the .exe extension is visible. If the extension doesn't appear, go to the View tab again and make sure File Name Extensions is checked. Once that's done, rename the file exactly to update.exe using all lowercase letters. After renaming, click anywhere on the screen. A dialog box will appear. Just click OK. Now right-click the file and go to Properties. In the Properties window, check the box for Read Only, click Apply, then OK. With this done, CapCut will no longer update itself automatically on your PC. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.